Ooh. That hedge really sends off some sparks. Still no Gary. I guess he's at the longest auction ever. But I can't go nowhere. I got this huge fire. And right now it's going crazy.